Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how my car rental system project works. We have developed this project for our database management system course. So let's start. Today mainly we will focus how our project is using the MySQL database and how we are fetching the data from the database and using in our website. So first let's take a look at the database. Here we have three tables: users. In the users table we are storing data for like user ID, username, user's password, email address, and user's role if the user is a customer or a admin, and user's account balance. And in the cars table we're storing data like cars ID, cars make, model, year, color, price per day, availability. If it is 1, that means the car is available right now, and if it's 0, then it means the car is currently in rent. And in the rentals table we're storing all the data, when a car is being rented. And here we are storing the data like rental ID, user ID, car ID, starting date, ending date, total price, and status. If the status is active, that means the car is currently in rental, and if it is cancelled, that means the customer has cancelled the order, and if it is completed, that means the order is completed. So let's log into our website and take a look. First let's take a look at as admin. Okay, in the admin dashboard we see the total cars, the total users, active rentals, which means the among all the cars which cars are currently in rent. So we are fetching this data from the database using the select count, the count aggregated function, and we are using taking the from the users table we are counting all the ID, and also from the cars table we are counting all the ID, and from the rentals table we are counting the ID where status is active. Here you can see the total cars, total users, and active rentals. This is how showing. And in case of receipt we are showing some rentals into the website, and all the cars information, all the users information. In the recent rentals information we're showing, we are using a join. Here we can see in the dashboard we are using we are showing the data rental ID, username, cars make and model, starting date, end date, total price, cars ID, username, cars make and model, starting date, ending date, and price, and current status. So here the status from the rentals table joining with users table, inner join with users table and cars table. And as we are showing some recent rentals, we are uh, sorting it descending order as date, and limiting it to 5. And in the manage cars section we are viewing all the cars information in our system. So uh, to display this information we're just using the uh, cars table and projecting all the information. Here if we see in the cars table we're selecting every information from the cars and projecting it. And in the users section we are doing the same. We are just projecting information from the users table. And in the rental history we are keeping here all the information that in our rentals table, which means all the rentals that happened. If the status is cancelled or active, that doesn't matter. So we are also using a join here in the rentals table. We're using another join here with the users table and cars table. We're using inner join here. So now let's log in as a customer. Here we can see all the available cars and my active rentals, the cars I have rented. And among them I am currently renting all the cars. So to display this information we need cars make, cars model, renting date, starting date and end date and total price. To fetch this information, we are making another join with the rental table with the cars table. If I go into the customer's dashboard, here you can see we are selecting from rentals table the ID, cars make, model, start date, end date, total price, and we are joining with inner joining with cars table. And in the available cars section, we are just fetching the information from cars table. And in my rentals, we need the rental ID, cars make, model, date, start date, ending date, total price, current status. So we are making another join here in the my rentals. We're doing another join with the cars table here. And in the recharge amount section, if I want to recharge, then it just updates the user table, users current logged in users balance, updates the users table. And if now I want to rent a car, let's say as I have balance 267, let's rent this Ferrari from today to 22. I need price 180 as the car price per day is 60 and I want to rent the car for 20, 21 and 23. So let's confirm the rental. We can see the car is rented successfully. To rent this car, we have used a procedure here. Now let me show you in this rent car section. Here we have begun the transaction, and if for any reason we fail, we are going to roll back to the previous state of the database. But if everything is okay, then we are calling this procedure sell car to this user, which car we are passing the parameter car ID, user ID, car ID, starting date, end date and total price. So without procedure, we had to manually insert into the rentals table, then update the car's availability and update the user's new balance. But with the help of procedure, we're just calling it, and in our database, if we take a look at my procedure sell car, here you can see the procedure is inserting value into the rentals, then updating the car's availability and then updating the user's balance. So this is how our project is working. That's everything we have implemented. Thank you. And for everyone to view our project, we have free hosted it into the car rental system, car-rental-system.infy.uk. This is the link. If you want, you can take a look here. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.